Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Any likes or comments or subscribe from your side will be truly appreciated. Thanks a lot. In this video, we want to learn how we can set proxy setting for the Docker container. In one of the videos, I have shown you how you can set the proxy for docker-daemon. And in this video, we want to know how it is for the Docker containers. You have to notice that the Docker container don't use the proxy setting for the docker-daemon, and they have another settings for another proxy settings, and in this video we want to learn it. So let's go. First of all, in the home directory of the user, we have to create a new directory, sudo make dir, and this directory must be .docker, and it's a hidden directory just for security reasons. So the directory must be .docker, and I press enter. After that, we change to this directory with cd sorry, and now we are in this directory. And in this directory we have to create a new file. I do it with nano. This file must be config.json, and I press enter. We go to the file, and in this file we have to set the following settings: curly bracket open, and after that double quotation open. We type proxies and close double quotation, double point, enter. After that sorry guys, after that we open curly bracket one more time. I press enter, and here we again double quotation open, default. We type default, double quotation close, double dot, and after that again curly bracket off. And here we have to define our proxy server. HTTP proxy, it must be camel case, HTTP small, and P of proxy must be big. And after that space HTTP double colon, and your proxy, and the proxy port here, comma, enter. And in the new line we do the same configs, but this time we're for HTTPS. Again here HTTP colon / your proxy and colon per port. So if you want to set no proxy, you can add no proxy also. It is up to you on how do you configure the things in your organization. After that we close the curly brackets one by one, and here. So one more time, curly bracket proxies, and under default here you have to define the URL of your proxy under HTTP and HTTPS, and here is the URL of your proxy and the port of your proxy. And if you want to have no proxy, you can set the name of the server or IP here. In this case I don't do it. After that we just save these settings. I will do it by pressing Ctrl and X and save, yeah, and I press enter. We go back to the home directory. Don't forget that we have to export these settings for the Docker container, and we do it with this command: export space and Docker, sorry, docker underline config is equals, after that tilde, for the home directory and docker. This is the directory that we have created. After that, I press enter, and now we have to restart and reload, restart the docker and reload the daemon. But before doing that, it is better if you talk it with your system administrator in your organization, but you can do it. So sudo systemctl daemon reload, I press enter, and sudo systemctl restart docker service, I press enter. We check if everything is okay with docker service, start tools, and I press enter, and docker is running also. Okay guys, that's it. So we have already set the proxy settings for the Docker container, and as I said, you have to notice that the Docker containers have another settings for the proxy. So if you don't know how you can set the proxy for the docker-daemon, you can go back to the videos that I add at the end of this video, and in this video I have showed you how you can set the proxy settings for the docker-daemon also. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.